So we've got our list here that will remove things from the list of our groceries in the store when they're bought. And what we want to do is have a list at the end of the things we need to buy in. So there's a couple of ways we could approach that. We could compare our original list with our final list and find what is missing. But the easier way actually is just to make a new list as we go. So we'll say to reorder. We'll call that a list. Now, we're just going to make that an empty list. And why we have to make that start with is because then we can append things to it. So now, when we have this being removed, I can also append it into my to be reordered or to reorder. So to reorder, append, and we'll append whatever is bought. And now maybe I want to print in here the list of things we need to reorder. We need to reorder, and we could plus reorder. Now, let's see how it goes. I don't need the big mark there. I need to close brackets. Okay, let's run that. And let's just say we have eggs sold and salt. And now we want to exit. And it says here, we can't print it because this is a list and it needs to be a string. So I'm just going to be a little bit simplistic here. We're just going to turn this into two print statements because it's the easiest way to do things. We could do it in a slightly nicer looking way, but this will work. So what do we want? Let's just have eggs. Oops. I type correctly. So eggs, and then we might exit. And it says we need to reorder eggs. Now, one of the things we might know is we're having problems if we enter the wrong thing. So what I'm going to do here is make a little improvement. I'm going to only get this to run if it's actually something that's on our list. So if bought in groceries, and what in says is check all the groceries and check if that thing is in it. And it will only run the rest of this if that's the case. So now, when I mistype and I type EEG rather than EGGS, it's just going to do nothing and ask me what I want to buy again. And so maybe I this time type eggs, and then I do exit, and then only has the eggs correctly spelt because that one didn't exist. That may or may not be how you want to do it if you're actually running a business, but given that it's all coming in through the system, if your system is not reading the right thing to start with, you've got a problem. All right, well, thank you very much. That's it.